Hello, I have another temu haul. I have my favorite friend, Victor, popular playboy here, and Mr. Retros.
Hi there.
They're both in the house. I noticed this yesterday when I was. He salutes. This is what he. See if we can do it. He did it yesterday. Come on now. Now he doesn't. Oh, you gotta push it. How do kids figure these things out? See, he salutes. I got my finger there. He salutes. Isn't that special?
Mm-hmm.
That's why it says saluting frog. I didn't even realize he did that, but he's great. Okay. Yeah, nice. So, that's an update. I hope I'm not too glary here. I'm going to turn this. Be right back. Okay, we're back. I had to fix some glare that was coming in. I think it's better. So, this is what I got from Temu. This is 4 rolls of HTV. I'm going to make that hoodie, and I need, and I need to, this one's for my, cut the lettering out of the silhouette. And this is just HTV, hot heat transfer vellum. And I'll just cut out my letters and then borrow, my friend has a heat press and set it on my hoodie. So I will be doing that. I'll be cutting those out with silhouette, but I'm still waiting for my studio to be installed so that I can put my silhouette and stuff in here, because it's down at the other house. So as soon as I can do that, I will do this project. So I got 4 rolls of this. I think it was like $3 a roll, and these are fairly decent size. It doesn't say. Of course not. Why would you say the size on anything? So I got those. That's not that exciting, but I will use it. And I got another one of these. One of these French hair twist things, but I thought it was very pretty. They had these on a lightning deal. They were quite inexpensive, but that's pretty. What else? I thought I was getting a big box of these. It's eyeglass or screen cleaner things. Made it look like I was getting a great big box, but I just got this many. We'll use them. I use them for cleaning our glasses and our phones. And what else? Oh, this is just weather stripping for the back door, because I think there's air comes under that back door. Here, it sticks
Comes
down.
with a doggy door.
Yeah, it does. It's from underneath too.
About that.
No, there's nothing you can do about that. But so we'll try this, or I can always use it at the beach. This was inexpensive too. It just sticks on. Yeah. Not very exciting, I don't know. Yeah. Oh, I also have a Five Below haul. I meant to mention that. I'll do this too. And this is one of these phone holders you stick on the wall. It's at the beach. I don't know what I did with my other one. I think it's in the bin to go to the beach. I'm not sure. And then they have this beautiful pin for really inexpensive. Oh, that's nice. It's really nice pin. It's almost like a fleur-de-lis. But it's nice. Yeah, that's very nice. Crystal pin. So that's what I got at that place. Then I ordered these steps. Ugh. These steps from this sort of suck.
Yeah.
They had steps at Five Below, pet steps. I'm gonna have to put a drawstring or something to tighten these steps up, which is annoying. But see, he likes them. I needed more of these. Let me move these. And they like to fall apart.
Yeah.
Super
really
awesome. See, I think I can tighten them up if I put a drawstring.
Put some elastic or something.
Yeah, it's easier said than done to put elastic. You know, and I don't have my sewing machine set up. So I was waiting on my shed. So when I get my sewing machine set up, I can do that. But this is the X. Yeah, they aren't. They're $10, which is a lot less than those other foamy ones. The decent ones are like $50. And these are just secondary stairs. I'm going to use one in the bedroom here, and then 2 down at the beach, because he likes his steps. So look at, they have them fitting so nice. See?
Oh yeah, right.
Fit like that. So I don't know. I'll keep them and work with them, but it's not very nice. I do not recommend them, but I do recommend this awesome dog outfit. It's he loves it. It's a turkey outfit.
Turkey.
Turkey! This is the small, which I wouldn't want to get any smaller for him. Look it. It's nice, huh? Is it inside out? I think I have it inside out.
It goes into shot.
Yeah, he just got, you know, when he starts to get too wound up, and I got it inside out, sorry, but, oh, see, he gets really mad. He was inside out. See, he starts to get really crazy and wild and carrying on, and this is better. I'm sorry, I had it inside out. Oh, get it right, gee whiz. He's just got this Velcro. There we go. Super nice, see? So he calms down when you put clothes on him. He gets kind of upset.
It'll ruin his whole day.
It ruins my day. I'll take it off. Take it off. There we go. I just think you look so cute. I don't want to look cute. So, and then he wants to punish it. See?
Yeah.
See? I'll take this and show you what I think.
This is what I think of
That
this.
stupid turkey suit. Why don't you wear it? It's okay. See, he feels better now. Okay. You modeled. That was good. All right. We'll give him a little treat afterwards. And then I also got this, which I think is awesome. It's a Santa Gautama. We call him Lazy Egg. Look, he's dressed
That's
up.
Lazy Egg.
It's Lazy Egg, yeah. What was that?
Don't know.
Sounded strange. Anyway, there it is. So that's cute. They have some cute things, but don't bother with those stairs unless you just want cheap, crummy stairs. Yeah. Or if you need one of those turkey outfits, it's pretty cool. You know, kind of festive for the season coming up. So I think that's all we got. You got anything, Mr. Retros?
No.
You want to put your turkey suit on,
No.
Victor? No, I don't want it. So, I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Ho, ho, ho.